Ever opened Excel and felt like the cells were judging you? Yeah, same. If you've ever searched how do people actually understand spreadsheets, then you're probably here for Codefinity. I tested Codefinity because it kept popping up while I was looking for beginner-friendly tech courses, and honestly it surprised me. The platform is clean, simple, and doesn't throw you into chaos on day one. You start with the basics, navigation, formulas, and functions, and it slowly builds up so you're not overwhelmed or lost. What I really liked is how hands-on the lessons are. You don't just watch videos and hope you remember things later. You actually practice inside the platform, which makes concepts like formulas and basic data analysis stick faster. It feels more like learning by doing, not just listening. Another plus is a structured path. You always know what to learn next, and that's huge if you're someone who gets stuck jumping between random tutorials online. Is it perfect? No, platform is. But if you want a straightforward, beginner-friendly way to learn Excel and build real skills with guidance, Codefinity is definitely worth considering. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.